Yeah, that's a big mouse.
I'm scared to go on it.
That doesn't look like a mouse. Yeah, it is a mouse.
Rosie, don't you go after it.
Get out of this way. So I want to
I feel bad for it.
It's called Mother Nature taking its course, is that right?
She's trying to watch his feet and the mouse.
Look at it breathing really heavy.
I know, I feel bad for him, but he's... The only way you're going to save him is to take the cat away. And even then, she's probably injured him already. I wasn't sure if it was a mouse or a mole, but it's a mouse.
Is that really nice?
Yeah, she's totally playing with it.
Oh, yeah.
She's like grabbing it, holding it, letting it go.
Get that mouse. Get that mouse. Go get that mouse. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. No, Rosie, not you. Get that mouse. Oh, she got it. Oh, no, she dropped it again. She's playing with it. Oh, geez.